Yes, children, I am welcoming all of you for the new academic year 21-22. Okay, let us hope so. We all will go to the normal teaching, physical teaching hours very soon. Can you see the screen, children? Children, can you see the screen? Okay. See, you are aware that I will be teaching you two subjects in SEM 3. One is business economics and another is foundation course. Okay. And please understand that when we analyze the last year's result, you yourself are aware many of the students have failed because they did not attend the lectures. Don't think that MCQ online you can just pass without attending the lecture. Once you attend the lecture, concept becomes clear and easy for you to attend the exam. And this year we cannot predict what will be the mode of exam, whether it will be online MCQs or whether it will be normal exam, we cannot tell right now. Okay, I hope it is very clear to you. Now, when you are becoming, can you hear me? Can you hear me, children?
मैम आवाज
No,
नहीं आ
ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I have put the earphone. Abhi, can you hear me?
No, ma'am. Proper नहीं है.
Okay, no problem. I will remove the earphone. I hope it is better now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children. So, first, what is our plan is business economics. We will start. We may complete chapter 1, then we will go back to, or we will start FC. Foundation course subject. It is like your first year, and there will be project. And every year I see that because of the project non-submission, students are losing the year. So this year in the beginning itself, I'm telling you, see that you are submitting the project. Last May, when you are contacting the teachers for, after losing the year, nobody can do anything. Okay. So today I will be sharing with you the syllabus of business economics. I have given you the background of 100 marks paper and 3 hours. That is the normal traditional concept. Okay. Module 1, there are 4 modules. You can see module 1 is introduction. You will have the doubt, madam, what is SEM 3 economics consist of? SEM 3 economics consists of macroeconomics basically. Because SEM 1 and 2 you were studying, or rather we have covered microeconomics, market structure, monopoly, monopolistic competition and all that you are remembering. Business economics we have done in first year. Second year we are dealing with macroeconomics. Children, macroeconomics, everybody knows it is dealing with aggregates. You are also aware, macro means it is dealing with aggregates. You are aware that aggregate means total. Okay. Aggregates, it is dealing with total. Please remember that. But when we speak about total, here I am talking about India as a whole, or sometimes even comparison of India with the rest of the world. Please remember that. It is a huge concept. Many times, and second year economics is very, very vast. comparing to first year economics. So what is important is you have to understand the concept and start studying in the beginning. You will ask, madam, which is the textbook to be followed? That I will tell you at the end of the session or maybe later. Generally, we are following Manan and Prakashan publication textbook. I am just writing in case you are having the doubt. It will be on top, you can see here. Manan and Prakashan, the book written by Johnson. Manan and Prakash. Publication. You are aware that Manan and Prakash are the publishers. So you can buy that book in case you are buying. And library is open, children. Slowly, in the time or if your family permits, you can visit the library for some time. What's the reason? It will give you a lot of change. By remaining inside the house, you become morose. And you are losing the, sometimes you can just try. Why the sound is coming? So module 1 minute, children who has unmuted themselves, that is why the sound is coming. Module 1 is dealing with macroeconomics. We will be discussing in detail what is macroeconomics, okay, what is circular flow of income. Concept is very, very new to you. National income and green GNP. Green GNP and all are the latest topics. Trade cycle, says law of market. Module 1 is little bigger in size. I told you macroeconomics is dealing with aggregate. Children, when we talk about aggregate, what do we mean? Here I am talking about India's national income. Okay, I am talking about India's unemployment. I am talking about monetary policy. I am talking about fiscal policy. Whatever is affecting the economy as a whole, I will be discussing. I hope, children, it is very clear. If there is doubt, you can always ask to me. India as a whole, we will discuss. First year, what did you study? You study about an individual. You studied about one market. Here we will not study like that. We will think or we will talk about the country as a whole. Nowadays, especially after COVID-19, all the media and the newspaper writes, India's national income has shrunk. Matlab, India ka national income ka size has become less. It is natural because more than 6 months, economy was in total lockdown. So industry ka output, employment, everything become less. That type of scenario we will be dealing in module 1. Module 2 is totally, it is known as Keynesian economics. Children, when we speak about Keynes, you should know, 1 minute, children. I'm just 1 second. Now what happened is, yes, here I am talking about Keynes. Every child, every student should know who was J.M. Keynes, John Maynard Keynes. We will deal this in detail later. John Maynard Keynes. Who was John Maynard Keynes? He is considered, or he was considered as the father of macroeconomics. Children, please remember, he is considered as the father of macroeconomics. The whole world is remembering Keynes. how you remember or how you are recollecting the names of Alfred Marshall in first year BCom. Similar manner, every student should know about Keynes. Keynes का जो economics है, it is known as Keynesian economics. So the entire second year में, this module is the most crucial module. You cannot pass economics without knowing who is or who was J.M. Keynes. John Maynard Keynes, born in London but settled in US. That is the Keynesian theory. So that is the Keynesian history. He was born in England, but he was born in England, I told, but he was settled in, one second, he was settled in US. We will see that what was the reason for that when I start second module. So macroeconomics में सबसे important नाम है J.M. Keynes. Children, J.M. J stands for what? John. M stands for Maynard. Okay, John Maynard Keynes. John Maynard Keynes का जो theory है, it is known as Keynesian economics. And Keynesian economics का main point is effective demand. This all we will study in detail. Effective demand, consumption function, investment function. Rather, very, very significant topic is investment multiplier. This today is the beginning of your new academic year. I am making you comfortable with the concepts and the things which you are going to study. I already told you economics is very vast and wide in second year. First year it was quite precise. Module 3 children, this is much more significant because this is post-Keynesian. What do you mean by post-Keynesian children? I hope you are sitting with some book and pen. Post-Keynesian means after Keynes. Keynes का life के बाद there were new development which has taken place. That is known as post-Keynesian. I am repeating, after the period of John Maynard Keynes, there were economists. You will ask, Madam, Keynes के बाद कौन थे? There were very important economists like Friedman, who got Nobel Prize for economics. Friedman, okay, then Gurley and Shaw. Gurley एक economist है, Shaw दूसरा economist है. There are, so many economists who came after Keynes. They are known as post-Keynesian. Post-Keynesians are basically from Chicago School of Economics. You know that Chicago is a state in USA, and there is a famous university, that is University of Chicago. And children, you are aware, US is having the credit of producing world famous economists. And in that, Chicago University is very, very popular. Have you heard about Raghuram Rajan, children? Have you heard about Raghuram Rajan? He was occupying one post in India. Are you remembering? Have you heard about Raghuram Rajan? Yes or no? Okay, you will be putting in the chat box. Okay. Answer to the question. Have you heard about Raghuram Rajan? Where is your voice?
No, ma'am.
No problem. It is okay if you have not heard, absolutely no problem. My dear children, Raghuram Rajan was the RBI Governor of India. You may wonder what is the speciality. He is one of the most intelligent economists that India has ever seen. He was the RBI governor, plus he was the chief advisor to International Monetary Fund. You can take down these points. He was the chief advisor to IMF. IMF means International Monetary Fund. Raghuram Rajan, he has done his engineering, then he has done his management, BTech and IIM. He has done from Indian Institute of Management, or MBA has been done from abroad. He was the chief advisor to IMF, International Monetary Fund. Raghuram Rajan was from Chicago School of Economics. When he has resigned from RBI governor, he has gone back. Now he is working as the professor at Chicago University. What I am telling is, Chicago University is world famous for producing economists. You will ask the question, Madam, is there any institute in India which is as popular as Chicago? We are having institutes, but in economics and all, we do not have that many institutions which are as popular as Chicago. The reason is American universities gives freedom to the people, to the economists, to think and write. India, the freedom is limited as far as expression is concerned. In module 3, we will be studying about ISLM model. All this we will study later. Inflation, you can see here, concepts are so new to you. Stagflation, see this word. Then supply side economics. Raffle curve, Raffle effect and all. You have not heard any of these things before. That's the reason I told you, Laffer curve. ये सब बाद में हम पढ़ेगा. So here itself you can understand second year economics is pretty new to you. Children, if you are not attending the online lectures, please remember you are going to be the loser. Somebody should be there to explain to you so that you will understand it much better. Module number 4 is money, price, and inflation. Module number 4 is money, price, and inflation. Okay. Here we are dealing with demand for money, supply of money, okay, and inflation. You will be studying in detail. What is inflation? Inflation नॉर्मल वे में हम बुलाता है महंगाई. सब कुछ कॉस्टली है, that is inflation. Please understand, when you study macroeconomics, everyday basis you should remember about inflation. Children, what is inflation? Increase in price. Inflation means increase in price. उसके वजह से what is happening? Common man suffer. Price is going on increasing. Please remember that. Inflation means increase in price. I hope you have understood. You can never forget that word, inflation. Inflation का opposite है deflation. वो generally नहीं होता है. Deflation means decrease in price. Opposite है. Inflation means increase in the price. And how to control inflation, all that we will be studying in module 3. So this is the syllabus of economics. Here you can see this is the normal standard question paper when you are having offline college. Since you are having the MCQs, the question is different. Okay, 50 marks MCQ, one question carry 1 mark. Okay, that will be multiplied. That is the MCQ pattern. Because of God's grace, if you are having normal college classroom teaching and examination, then this will be the paper. There will be 20 mark MCQs, you can see here. But we are not bothered at present about this much because we do not know the paper pattern. Here also 20 mark objectives, then 2 out of 3. That means 10 mark 2 questions. Each module there will be 20 questions. There are 4 modules. 20 into 4 is 80 and 20 mark objective. Total number of question is 5. Children, so I am just quickly taking you back. So in short, tell me, how many modules are there, children, in second year?
4.
Very
Four.
good. 4 modules are there. Good,
Four
children.
modules.
There are 4 modules. And second year economics is purely macro. And first module, there will be diagrams. Tomorrow when we start, the next class when we are starting, you will have to sit with the pencil, a rubber, and a notebook. Because when we draw, the finger moves according to the diagram. That is the advantage. Similarly, I told you FC, you know that there are 75 marks question and 25 marks project. Okay. Now in this syllabus, is there any doubt? I told you about the books that you have to purchase. If you are interested, I am not compelling you at all. I will be giving you the notes in the form of PPT or videos. And if you want to refer the books, you can take it from the library also. The author name I already told. The publisher I told you, Mannan and Prakashan. Mannan and Prakash, you can ask Johnson. Okay, is the author. Johnson and Mascarenhas. You can use his name. Book is more popular by this name, Johnson. And the publisher is Mannan and Prakash. Go for the latest edition. Library also, you can get it once your iCard or library card, whatever, is issued, you will be allowed to take the books. Okay? Children, is there any doubt so far?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Now at present what I am going to do is, you know that there are, at present 89 students in SYA. I will share the attendance first because attendance is very important being the first day. Children, 1 second. I'm sharing the attendance. I will share the link. One second. Why this link is not getting shared? That's what I am wondering. You can try now. I have shared the attendance link. Your names are given there. Are you in a position to use the attendance link? Children, are you in a position to open and use the attendance link? You have to sign in and go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay. Now what I will do is, we may not be able to complete it, but just I will start, sharing the FCCA syllabus just to make you understand what is second year FC consisting of. And remember, second year FC is drastically different from first year FC. That also you have to remember. I am sharing the syllabus. One minute, children. I'm just checking that only. I got. I'm sharing the screen. You can. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see here. I will change the academic year. See, there are 4 modules even in FC also. Module 1 is human right violation and redressal. According to my best of knowledge, you have studied about human right, fundamental rights and all that stuff in first year. Here you will be studying what are the rights of various types of individuals in the society. Let us take the case of women, children, senior citizen, all human beings. What are the various rights? But how the rights are violated. Look here. Then you will understand the difference. Difference is about the violation and redressal. Children, what do you mean by redressal? What is the meaning? Redressal means how to solve it. How to solve it. That is the meaning of redressal. So second year, please understand, we are giving importance to violation and how to solve the problem of whom? Women, SC, ST, minority, seniors, that is senior citizen, children. We will be studying all this. In this, you are familiar only with the children. Child Labor Abolition Act and all you are familiar. Remaining things you have to study. Module 2 is dealing with environment. You may think, madam, this is ECA, environment. Not environment, I know that you have studied a little bit of environment, but here we will be discussing environment from the point of view of disaster. So this is especially dealing with disaster, not exactly your EVS. It is related to EVS, but in a different manner. Science and technology, what are the latest inventions, innovations in science and technology? What is the relationship between science and technology? What is the role of science and technology? All that you will be studying. And fourth module is very important module, that is about your soft skills. Children, have you heard about soft skill? Today's corporate world is talking only about soft skills. Today's corporate world is only talking about soft skills. What is soft skill, children? Soft skill means interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills. What do you mean by that? How you will deal with your colleagues. Office mein jaane par how you will deal with your colleagues. When you are in the college, how you will deal with your friends. How you will adjust. How you will deal with your seniors. How you will deal with your teachers. All this is coming under soft skills. Communication. A little bit you have studied in business communication. So you are getting some rough idea regarding the modules. Why I had given this? Out of these modules, you can choose any module for making the project. And detailed about the project, we will discuss when we are starting FC. Okay, children. Now what I will do is there anything you wanted to clarify now? Your roll number is given and the new WhatsApp group is formed. Some of your friends have yet to join. Ask them to join at the earliest. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, we will start our normal lecture. Someone has okay. Thank you, children. I hope everybody is fine at your end. Okay, children, let us hope always for the best this year. Today being the first lecture, I hope I have given you a brief introduction and how we will go ahead. And you know you are having 7 subjects in second year. What are the subjects, children? Economics and FC 2 हो गया, कॉमर्स 3 हो गया, एडवर्टाइजिंग 4 हो गया, 2 अकाउंट्स है, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटेंसी एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंसी 6 हो गया, and 7th one is business law. Why you are studying business law? Being a commerce student, you should know the fundamentals of law. That because any businessman should have some knowledge about law. That is why that is also included. It is known as business law. XY को मारने पर क्या करेगा? That you will not study. You are studying about the relationship between business and you. Okay. Business law. Children, is it clear to you? I will share this today's YouTube video also. Syllabus and the timetable are very, very important. So try to take that and you can join. And every day try to read. Okay, children, bye.